See, Samata, today's concept is MySQL unique constraint. Okay.
Okay.
It is MySQL, MySQL, MySQL unique constraints. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by constraints? Okay. What do you mean by constraints, Samata? Constraints andre it is like restrictions.
Okay.
Okay. Restrictions. Okay. Restriction. Okay. Means like
Yes, sir.
some controls. Okay, what do you mean by unique? Tell me what you mean by
Different.
unique. Unique means different.
Different.
Okay, you are unique, right? You are unique. Okay,
Yes, sir.
means different. So what is the use case of this unique constraints means? You'll get to know. You can write down these points. Okay,
Okay.
the unique constraints, the unique constraints ensures, okay, ensures that all the values in a all the values in a
Sir, that spelling.
yeah, just a second, let me
Okay.
comment this. Okay, all the values, okay, that all the values in a column, okay, all the values in a column are different. Okay, are different are different. Okay, this is the first point. Did you
Okay.
understood this first point? Did you understood this
Yes, sir.
point? See, the unique constraint ensures means it guarantees that all the
Yes.
values whatever the data we enters in a column are different. Okay,
Okay.
it gives some guaranteedness. Unique constraints, the same like
Yes, sir.
primary key we have earlier studied, the primary key which ensures the which should have the uniqueness. The primary
Yes.
constraint is it should have a unique, right? It should be unique.
Unique value.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
it should be a unique value. Same way the unique constraint ensures guarantees that all the values in a column are different.
Okay.
Okay, after that both unique unique and primary 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 key constraints, okay, constraints provide provide a guarantee. Okay, provide a guarantee provide a guarantee for what? It provides a guarantee for uniqueness.
Uniqueness.
Okay, uniqueness 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 for a column.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
column or set of column. Okay, set of column set of column set of columns. Okay, after that one thing you should remember.
Yes, sir.
See, that primary key constraint ಏನಂತ ನಾವು we have studied right earlier, the primary key constraint automatically has a unique constraint.
Yes.
Okay, primary constraint though you cannot enter the duplicate data,
Yes,
right?
sir.
You cannot give for the same employee, you cannot give the same employee id. For the two
ID.
employees you cannot enter the same employee id.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is the reason primary key constraint automatically has a unique constraint.
Yes.
Okay, by default it has a unique constraint, that primary key constraint. Okay, a primary key key constraint automatically has a what? As a unique constraint.
Value.
Okay, unique constraint, not unique value, it is unique constraint.
Yes,
Okay, unique constraint. Okay, And also remember one more point. You
sir.
can have many unique constraints. Okay, you can have many unique constraints means you can apply the unique constraint for more than one field, more than one column,
Yes, sir.
but you can have only one primary key constraint in a table. You can make one column, one field as a primary key constraint, but you can make the multiple field, multiple columns as the unique constraint. Did you got
Okay,
this?
sir. Yes, sir.
In a table you can have only one primary key, but you can have the multiple unique key, unique constraints. Okay. Okay, however you can have many unique constraints. Okay, many unique constraints, many unique constraints per table you can have many unique constraints.
Okay.
Okay, but okay, but only only one primary key, only one primary key constraint. Okay, constraint per table. Did you understood this?
Sir, explain once again, sir.
ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ನ ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
Okay.
ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಸಮತ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಸಮತ ಅಂತ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಯೂನಿಕ್, ಅನದರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ನೇಮ್ ಸಮತ ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್.
Okay.
ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಯೂನಿಕ್.
Yes, sir. Yes.
ಆ ಯೂನಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ನ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಈವನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ದ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಏಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಝೋನ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ಎ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಕ್, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕೀ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕೀ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು.
Okay, sir.
ಇವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Sir. Yes.
Okay. Now let us see, let us implement this. Okay, let us implement. Okay, let us create a table. Okay, you can create a table. Create table. Create table. Let us give the student 2. The student, because student 1 I have already created, make it student 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, after that give it student ID. Okay, let us give ID. Okay, student ID which is of type integer. Okay, integer. Let us make it not null. Okay, not null, and also okay, not null. After this, okay, not null. Okay, after this take first name. Okay, first name. Let us take the first name. Okay, first name as varchar. Okay, it is varchar. Okay, varchar, and make it varchar, give some value 255. Okay, after that make it not null. Okay, not null, and unique. Okay, unique. Again give the roll number, which is roll number, which is of type int and which is not null. Okay, not null, and make it unique. Okay, unique, but make this SID as primary. How to make the SID as a primary key? It is primary key which is SID. Okay, did you got this?
Yes, sir.
Nodi nano I have made student ID as the primary key. Okay, primary key should not contain any null values, right? That is the reason I
Yes,
have made
sir.
it not null. And the first name, I am making here the first name and the roll number as the unique.
Unique.
Okay, first name and the roll number as the unique. See, if I try to let us execute this. Okay, select this and execute this. Let us see. Yeah, it got executed. Now what you do? Okay, describe. Okay, describe, it is student 2. Okay, describe student 2. Did you got the output? Are you facing any issues? Student 2. Okay, see, this is my table. Samatha, did you got the same? Samatha, are you there?
Hello, sir.
Did you got the output?
No, sir, I'm not writing the code. I'm writing in the notebook, sir. Later, I will execute it.
Yeah, okay, no issues. See, this is the output. Okay, this is the
Sir.
output. Okay, see, you can see here I have made the student ID as the primary key. You can see a primary key, and the first name is the unique. You can see the unique, and the roll number as unique. You can see the unique here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, did you got this?
Sir.
Okay, if you are trying to insert the duplicate data, it will throw error. Suppose,
Yes, sir.
see, Samatha, if you try to enter the Samatha again for the first student, again for the another student, if you are trying to insert the same value Samatha, it will throw error.
Yes.
Okay, but what we shall do means, see, in a class there might be a multiple student with the same name, right? More than one student with the same name.
Yes, sir.
So already the student table is having the unique constraint. Let us remove that unique constraint in the existing table.
Okay.
Table nalli unique constraint already ide. We need to remove that unique constraint from the first name.
Okay.
Okay, let us see how to remove it. Okay, let us see how to remove the unique constraint from the existing table. Okay, existing table alli ಹೇಗೆ remove ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay, now
Sir.
for that, okay, it is, you can write down to drop. Okay, to drop unique. Okay, to drop unique, to drop unique key constraint, unique key constraint. Okay, unique key constraint. Okay, the query is alter. Okay, table, alter table. Okay, alter table student, it is student 2. Okay, student 2 drop index. Okay, drop index, it is yeah, it is what, it is first name only. We need to remove the unique constraint from the first name. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that it is first name. Okay, first name, that's it. It is first name. Now let me select this. Okay, if I execute this, okay, I got, you can see here it is successfully executed and removed the unique constraint from the student table. If you want more information, means, see what I'll do, describe student. Okay, student 2. Okay, describe student 2. Now you can see here, can you see here, there is no unique constraint here. Can you see here?
Yes.
Okay, it got removed. Okay, suppose you need to add that unique constraint again you need to add the unique constraint for the first name. I don't want the multiple student with the same name in the same class. Okay, how to do means, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆಯಾ? Are you getting the concept?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, now I need to add again. I have removed it, right?
Yes, sir.
See, how to add means, it is, see, add unique key. Okay, it is unique key in existing Okay, existing table we need to add the unique key. Okay, how to add this? It is under table student. We need to alter the student table, right? Student
Yes, sir.
to add. Okay, it is add unique. Okay, unique. It is first name. Okay, it is first name. I'll select this. I'll execute this. Okay, now describe what? Student.
Student 2.
Yes, it is student 2. Look here. Okay, okay. Can you see the unique constraint again here?
Yes, sir.
Did you got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us move with the other concepts. Okay, other concepts. Okay, okay, there is one more concept. The other concept is MySQL default constraint. Okay, the next concept, let me check whether the recording is on and it is okay. Yeah, it is fine. Okay, now let us work with MySQL default. Okay, default. Okay, default constraints. Okay, constraints. Okay, default means in JavaScript you have already know. Suppose if we are not assigning some value to the variable declared with the var keyword, automatically it will assign the undefined, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the same way default ಏನಂದ್ರೆ default constraint, it is used to set a default value for a column.
Okay.
Suppose if we are not able to set the values, if we are
Yes.
not able to insert the values, particular value, it will randomly pick up the whatever the default value we are setting in the while creating the table. We will set one
Sir.
default value. Okay, our default value ne add ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Suppose if we are unable to insert the particular value ಅಂದರೆ default value ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ
Okay.
ಇವಾಗ how means you can write on this one line. Default constraints is used to, okay, is used to set, okay, set a default, okay, set a default, okay, default value, okay, value for a column. Okay, now you can write even this line. The default value will be added, okay, added
Okay.
to all new records if no other value is specified. Okay, specified. Okay, the default value will be added to all the new records if no other value is specified. Okay, now ಬೇರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ.
Yes.
Okay, that is the only thing. Okay, if you are not getting, you can interrupt. Okay,
Okay.
now let us create a table. Okay, create table. Let me make it employee 12 because already I have created the table with the employee 11, employee 12.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us insert some values. emp id, okay, emp id which is of type integer. Okay, integer. Let us make not null. Okay, after that one more thing, first name. Okay, it is first name varchar. Let us give the range. Okay, range. Again, let us give the last name. Last name. Again, it is varchar some value. Okay. Again, let us give the employee department. EMP DEPT employee department, which is varchar. Okay, varchar some range 255. You can just focus now default. Okay, it is default as, and I'm setting the default value here, operations.
Okay.
Okay, operations. Okay, operations. Did you got this? Nodi, if I'm unable to, if I'm not adding the any other values, okay, for the department, by default it will assign the operation for the employee.
Okay.
Did you got?
Yes, sir.
First, let me execute this part. Let me select this. Let me execute this. Okay, now let us insert into employee what? Employee 12.
12.
Okay, insert into employee 12. Okay, now it is employee ID,
Employee
EMP
ID.
ID. Okay, EMP ID, comma, it is first name.
First name.
It is first name,
Last
comma,
name.
it is again, it is last name. Okay,
EMP
last name. Yeah,
department.
I won't insert that because of default. I'm not adding that
Okay.
employee
Okay, sir.
department, EMP department. Okay, now values. Okay, values. Okay, values ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, employee ID, let us make it 1. Okay, and the employee's name, let me make it Ramesh. Okay, Ramesh, my name is Ramesh. Okay, after that the last name, let me make it Shivanna. Okay, now here I am not mentioning or inserting the employee department.
Yes, sir.
I am not inserting employee department, right? Okay,
Has, sir.
the output it has to take by itself the default value. Okay, see
Yes.
now if I try to execute this, okay, I'll execute this. Okay, I got the output, one row affected. Okay, now it is select what? Select
Start
start.
from
Yeah, select start from what?
employee 12.
Employee 12.
12.
Okay, see now if I execute this, okay, can you see the table employee department?
Yes, sir. Operations.
Yeah, this is how it works. Okay, by
Okay.
itself default constraint it is used to set a default value. Okay, for a
Okay.
column the default value will be added to all the columns if you are not
Has, sir.
adding the any other values.
Has, sir.
Okay, it will take by itself the default value ಏನು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ.
Okay.
Did you understood about the default?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us go with the new concept, which is MySQL check constraint. MySQL, okay, it is MySQL check, okay, it is check constraint. Okay, MySQL check constraint. Okay, see what is the use case of this check constraint means, the check constraint it will keep a check on our table. It will keep some limitations, some restrictions. How means, see,
Okay.
you can insert the data into your table only with the employee age greater than 18. If you are inserting the employee age lesser than 18, it will throw an error. It won't, you are unable to insert. Okay, that is the check constraint. One checkmate, it is a check, it will keep a check on your table. It will keep a check on your whatever the data you are inserting into the table. Are you getting, Samata?
Yes, sir.
You should reply. Are you there? Okay, let me continue. The check constraint.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible. Okay,
Yes, sir.
is I am audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the check constraint, you can write on this. The check constraint is used to, okay, is used to limit, okay, used to limit the value range, okay, value range is used to, okay, limit the value range that can be value range, okay, value range that can be, okay, that can be placed in a, that can be placed in a column, in a column. Did you understood the use case of check constraint?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is used to keep track on what the data you are inserting. Okay,
Okay.
suppose here the check, in my cases I need to insert the employee details only with the age greater than 18 or equal to
Yes.
18. If you are inserting the employee age with the lesser than 17, it won't accept.
Okay.
Okay, let us first create a table. Table create table. Okay, create table employee what, 13.
13.
Okay, 13. Now it is emp id, okay, which is integer. Let us make not null. Okay, again the first name which is var
Yeah.
some range, okay, some range. Again let us give the last name, okay, last name some varchar, again some range, okay, some range emp age, okay, age which is integer type, and let us give the check where emp age should be greater than, let us make
18.
greater than 18. Okay, greater than 18 means he is not even 18, not equal to 18 into it will throw error. Okay, now
Okay.
let me select this. If I will execute this, okay, there is no error. Now let us insert the data. Okay, let us insert into, okay, insert into employee what, insert into employee
Employee 13.
13. Yeah, insert into employee 13. It is emp id comma, it is first name comma, it is last name, okay, last name comma, it is emp age, okay, emp age
Yes, sir.
values, okay, the values are, let us make it 1 comma, again let me make it Ramesh, okay, comma, again it is Shivanna, it is, okay. Now let me make it 17. Okay, it is
Okay.
17. Okay, now I'll try to insert this data. See, it is already throwing error. Can you see the
Yes.
error? Table
Yes, sir.
developers db.employee 13 does not
That
exist. Oh, it is
exists.
telling the employee 13 is does not exist. What is our table name? emp, it is emp. Yeah, it is, there is a mistake in the table name.
Yes.
emp, it is,
Yellow one.
yeah, it is lo. Okay, is this right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see, yeah, okay, now you can see the error. Check constraint employee 13 check, it is violated. Did you got?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Check is violated. Suppose instead of 17, if I make this as 18,
19.
again it will throw error definitely,
Error.
because I have given here greater than 18.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
greater than, again it is violated. Now see, I will make this as 19. 19, look at here. Okay, I am getting the output. Okay,
Output.
did you got this
Yes, sir.
about the check constraint? Yeah, Samata, did you understood so far?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, that's it for today, Samata.
Okay, sir.
You can practice, you can practice, practice, practice,
Oh,
practice, practice until you get placed. Even after you get placed, just keep on practicing. Okay.
yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, Samata, you can end the meeting.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, Samata.